Hello everyone, welcome to this video in which I'm going to try to restore this Nokia E5 that has, well, if I see the buttons are pressing weird. Let's see if I think it was in a humid condition and that's why it's doing it like that. So let's begin. I don't even know the language. I think it's Spanish. Ooh, look at this nice crack here. Alrighty then. I'm not ever going to put this body shell back, so oh, ooh, that feeling. Yeah, to stick to the display. Oh, it only has very strong clamps. Alright. Oh. Well, easy peasy. This just slides out. Good. Here we have the main board. Luckily the speaker came out in one piece, which is a rare and beautiful occasion. The charging port. There we go. Easy, come out. Come out with your flash up. There we go. Yes. Audio jack, and by judging how many pins it has, it's definitely one with also audio video out. There we go, the antenna. Yep. Well, time to reassemble this thing. First I need to put all this sealants. Clicked in place, good. Wow, this is a long one. Good. Clicked in place. Slide in this antenna. Good. Well, this was the hard part. Alright, now that I'm done with that thing. Time to put everything back together. Yep, good enough. Finally, my God. Oh. Just put it in like this. Good, finally. Click, click, and double click your mother. Testing every button. They all seem to work just fine. Moment of truth. This is how it looks refurbished. Let's start it up. Well, it's already working better. The buttons aren't pressing randomly anymore. I think this is it. Yes. Display. Lingua. English. C. Oh, really? And in English we have it. Out of curiosity. $561. Well, yeah, of course. So this was the refurbished video of the Nokia E5. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. What do you think of this phone? If you had this phone when it was popular, leave a comment. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. Subscribe to my channel for more daily videos. It really helps me a lot. and I'll see you in the next video. Who knows what I may do. Evil plans. Well, wish you a very awesome day, just like yourselves. Bye bye.